If you want to eat that frog first thing in the morning, you need to know what your academic frogs are. They typically share 5 key characteristics. First, they are high-value tasks that significantly advance your research or academic career. Second, they are complex and cognitively demanding, require sustained focus. Third, they are often ambiguous and slippery, lacking clear start and end points. Fourth, they frequently postpone, migrating repeatedly from today to tomorrow's to-do list. And finally, they create anxiety, triggering psychological resistance or avoidance behaviors. Common examples include writing challenging manuscript sections or analyzing complex data, learning new research methodologies, addressing difficult reviewer comments, or developing that daunting first draft of a grant application. Which of your current tasks combine the most of these 5 characteristics?